This is a no-nonsense guide to clearing the service reminder flashy spanner. Sorry, what are you doing?
I'm making the video interesting. I mean, I'm making a joke about how I'm using the vacuum cleaner to get rid of the flashy spanner. No good?
No good.
No.
As I said, this is a no-nonsense guide to clearing the service reminder. No vacuums, no nonsense, just clear instructions. Okay, start by turning your bike on. There is the flashy spanner. Now we're going to use this I button that's on the back of your handlebars for all the steps. Press the I button until you see trip 2. Hold down the I button to clear trip 2. Keep the I button pressed down from now on. Do not let it go. Turn the bike off while holding the button and count to 10 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and. Now while holding the button down, turn your bike back on. Watch the flashy spanner, don't panic. Keep watching. Gone. No more flashy spanner.